Have you ever checked your bank balance and something just wasn't adding up? You didn't buy anything, you didn't make any transfer, but somehow your money keeps reducing. Don't worry, you are not alone. You are not even crazy, because today I'm going to be breaking down 5 hidden bank charges you are probably paying without even knowing, and most importantly, how to stop them. So we're not just talking about to make money, how to get money, how to start a business. I'm going to help you to save some money today. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Susan. If you're coming across the channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe and click on the notification bell by the side, so whenever I drop a video like this, YouTube will notify you. So without wasting much time, let me get right into it. The first on my list is account maintenance charges. This one affects everybody. Most banks in Nigeria deduct account maintenance fee monthly or even quarterly, and many people don't even notice it because it is usually small amounts like 50 naira, 100 naira, or even 200 naira. But here is the trick: these small fees add up. By the end of the year, you may have paid between 2,000 naira to 4,000 naira without even realizing. They are still small, right? Don't worry. And many of these banks say it covers account maintenance, but let's be honest, it's just a silent deduction from our account. You can stop this by switching to a savings account that attracts zero maintenance fee. Many banks have low fee or even no fee accounts, but they just don't advertise them, because once they do, they will not be making all those little deductions from your account anymore. So if you're using a current account, expect heavy charges. Move your account if you don't need a current account. Many people go and open current account thinking that, oh, current account means this. Then at the end of the day, they are being charged. My sister, for one, she's being charged for every transaction. If they send her, let's say 450,000 naira, they are removing at least 500 or 600 naira from that transaction. Why? When most of us, we get alerts, and that alert is the exact fee that comes into our account that we make, but has that amount that enters our account, there is a deduction for it. So it is not funny. So the second on my list is SMS and email alerts charges. This one. So if you receive SMS alert for transactions, your bank is charging you for it. Sometimes around 4 naira to 7 naira per SMS. And if you have multiple transactions in a day, especially if you're a business owner, you make payments, you buy this, you buy that, you're always making transfer, just know that you are just donating money to your bank without even knowing. You can stop this by telling your bank that you want only email alerts. This one is free. Use your bank mobile app for notification. If you want to be sure of if the money has entered your account, use the app. You can disable any unnecessary SMS alert because it is taking money from your account. You might just think this money is small, but when you accumulate it, if you accumulate the card maintenance, you accumulate the SMS alerts, if you all these things, if you accumulate, you will know the amount of money you have spent in the year. The third on my list is card renewal charges. This one, if you have an ATM card, you know that it is not free. You can spend at least 2,000 naira just to renew your card. And if you are not using this card, why do you have it? If you don't use this card frequently, you are just wasting money. So all you have to do is to tell your bank to deactivate your card, switch to a virtual card. So every year, most of our banks charge us between 50 naira, 100 naira, or even 600 naira, depending on the card type that you have and your bank. So if you don't use ATM cards frequently, many of us use bank transfers. You are just wasting your money. If you use a bank transfer, your app to transfer money, and you also have an ATM card, you are wasting money. I will advise you to pick one. I am here to advise you on how to stop wasting money, especially now that we are going to be paying tax. So it's best to relieve yourself from any unnecessary bill that you are paying, knowingly or unknowingly. That is the reason why I'm making this video. Whether the money is small or not, when you add it up, it's a lot of money. So right now, I would advise you to switch to either a virtual card or just stay on your mobile app alone. Use mobile transfers instead of any unnecessary withdrawal. It will save you a lot of money. This is just like paying for a gym membership when you haven't even exercised in 2 years. The number 4 on my list is excess withdrawal charges. So if you own a savings account, this one is for you. Many Nigerians don't know this rule. With a savings account, if you withdraw more than 3 to 4 times a month, your bank will start charging you extra. This one, if you have not experienced it yourself, you will know. I have experienced it. And many of you will be asking, why savings accounts? It is because savings accounts are meant for saving your money, not daily transaction. If you do daily transactions, switch to current account. But if you want to save money, savings account is for you. So if you're constantly sending money, withdrawing money, or making transfers, the charges charges will pile up one day. So what you need to do is to use a current account or a wallet account for frequent transactions. Keep your savings account strictly for savings. Use any of these fintech apps that allows unlimited transfer without penalties to make any of these transactions, your daily transactions, like OPay, PalmPay, Fair Money. All of these apps, they allow it, especially OPay and PalmPay. For me, this is what I use. And if in case you don't know, this is just like having a bucket with a hole. The more water you fetch, the more water disappears. I would advise you, if you make transactions like this, just switch to a fintech app and save your money in your savings account. The fifth on my list is all those unexplained charges you receive. Imagine just sitting down and you receive, I have like 3 accounts with Zenith Bank, and there was a day I just got debit on all 3 accounts, and it is not like it was a card maintenance. There was nothing, I did not see any of those things. Card maintenance was removed the week before. This week I am receiving debit for how much? 111 naira. 111 naira for all 3 accounts. There was no transaction, there was no description for that payment. So imagine receiving this kind of alert. It is not funny. Some of these charges include stamp duty fee, electronic money transfer fee, value added service fee, convenience fee, SMS managed service fee, card gateway fee, and etc. So you just imagine paying that every month without even knowing. And some banks take 500 naira, some banks take 600 naira. See, it is not funny. Many people just assume it is small. It is not small. These people know what they are doing. Imagine a bank that has a population of 1 million people, million customers in their account, and they are deducting a total of 100 or 200 naira every month from your account. The stingiest banks of all are the ones that go beyond and withdraw 500, 600 from your account, and there is no explanation whatsoever. So imagine this money times 1 million. Do you know how much they are making? They are making a loss. For you, they are not making anything. But when you go to the bank, make sure, demand that if they don't stop any of this unnecessary transaction from your account, you're going to close that account. And there are many other banks that don't even reduce money like this. Some banks is 15 naira. If you can manage 15 naira, what are you now doing with a bank that takes 600 naira from you? So you can stop this by checking your monthly statements. Many of us don't do that. Check your monthly statements. Some of these deductions, they don't send the alert to your phone. You will only see them on your monthly statement. So check it every month. Go to your bank. It is free. You are a customer. You have the right to demand for your monthly statement. Even if you don't want to go to the bank, you can use your app to download your monthly statement. And alternatively, you can switch to a transparent fee structure. You can use any of these fintech platforms I've talked about, and this app shows you every of the charges clearly before they deduct any money from your account, and you can easily use that. Have you ever bought something for like, please, let's say 5,000 naira, and the seller said, madam, add POS money of 200 naira, and you'll be like, POS, this is what your bank do silently. So in conclusion, guys, your banks will never call you to say, hello ma, we deducted 500 naira from your account and we just realized that it is too much. Come and collect your refund if you are interested. You are the one that has to pay the attention, so you don't receive any unnecessary debit alert. So by understanding these charges and knowing how to avoid them, you can save yourselves thousands of naira every single year. I'm sure many of you like, it's too small. It is not small though, if you think about it. So hey guys, if you want me to make a video on banks with the lowest charges in Nigeria, let me know. I think I've made a video on the best savings account with that you can save money and also take up loan. Is right here on my channel, and I'm going to be linking it in my description for you guys to watch it. So you guys, if you have watched to this point, thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification bell by the side, so whenever I drop a video like this, YouTube will notify you. And while you're doing that, please give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys on the next one. Have a nice day and bye.